It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little one rival. This part about culture, you gotta be fair. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces. Put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, we're going to be doing a first looks, y'all. I'm going to unbox these with y'all, and we're going to talk a little bit about these raw, uncut, man. I haven't done an unboxing in a while where I just, you see my first impression. So we're going to really see what these things looking like, and I want to talk a little bit about these because these aren't releasing like how they've been doing in the past. They actually, they coming back, man. They coming back to where it's being a worldwide release, which is different. But I mean, sometimes it's different mean it's better. I'm not 100% sure. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on that. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all. Y'all already know how we rock, man. Let's get straight into this unboxing. Get it! So y'all already know your boy went on ahead and copped these early off of GOKU, man. Put that underbid in, get what you want when they accept the offer, man. And actually, these came pretty fast, man. So GOKU already had these, man. This is like my third time ever ordering from GOKU, and this happened where I order and I get the shoe literally like 2 days later, and I'm not paying for express or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get these bad boys about a box. And we in there! Yes, Lord! Yes, Lord, y'all. So we do have the Chinese New Year of the Dragon. I also got some friends that I bought along with me, man, and we're gonna pop them bad boys out and talk a little bit about them, and I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts and opinions on these. So off rip, man, box presentation looking on point, man. When you come with a box presentation, and I'm assuming that this is supposed to be like the dragon scales on this right here for the box presentation, I think that that's dope, man. I like that, man. I like what I'm seeing, Nike. I like what I'm seeing with these. Now, the last few releases when it came to the Jordan 1s have been releases that have been overseas exclusive releases, and they've been numbered. Now this one right here is not a numbered pair. This is not a numbered pair, but this year they did do the Air Jordan Retro 2, and that one is a women's release, and I believe that they're doing like 2 or 3 colorways with those, and some of those, one of those is numbered. One of them is numbered, but, or maybe they all numbered. I gotta go back and look. Don't quote me on that, but I do know that those are numbered. So you do have the fly tissue paper right here with the little dragon joints, man. Let's go ahead and bust these bad boys down. Yes, sir. Okay. Hey, look, man. These things, hey, man. Let's go ahead and get the other one about the box. And we in there. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, y'all. Look, man. Hey. First thoughts and impressions on this one right here, fuego, man. They did their thing. Now, I don't have the year of the rabbits, but I do have a couple other CNYs, man. And one of them was one of the Jordans that came out below. Now, there is some other special things that did come with this sneaker, but we'll get all into that when we do the full detailed review and on feet. But I had to pull some friends out. As you guys can see, CNY still continue to have really dope box presentation. This is what I really loved about it, man. This one right here being the CNY 5 Low, which is one of my favorite CNYs that came out, man. I'd actually doubled up on these. I ended up getting rid of the double up, but this one right here was not numbered. Just like these, I don't believe these have a number. No, these do not have a number. These do not have a number in these. These are not numbered. So this is my second pair of non-numbered CNYs, but this one right here, man, these were super fire, man. This was my first Chinese New Year that I picked up, man. And, box presentation, everything on these was just immaculate. It was a Jordan 5 Low. The Jordan 5 Lows was killing the game when these came out. I want to say that was like 2017 or 18, somewhere around there when those had dropped. Now, this one right here being my last CNY that I picked up, and that's because, man, the CNYs, man, they kind of fell off to me, and I feel like that's why they weren't that wide of a release. But I feel like Jordan Brand, because what they saw over the last 2 years, last year we got the year of the rabbit, this one right here being the year of the ox, and these were just super fuego, man. You got that bread colorway right here, man. You got the little tassel, you got the crazy materials on these joints, and these right here here are numbered, but the thing that I did not like about this pair is that the number is actually on a card. So you had the number on the card. It wasn't actually on the sneaker. And if I'm not mistaken, the year of the rabbits, they actually put the number on the sneaker, which, you know, I think that that's dope to have the number on the sneaker, but hey, it is what it is. These are still a number pair of sneakers, 8,500, and this was an overseas exclusive release. With this one right here, they having a lot to do this year with the year of the dragon, and they're just dropping some crazy colorways with these. They got another pair of lows that they're doing. They got twos. You know, you just got to go check them out, man. If you guys haven't, I will leave a link in the description box to take y'all to actually check them out. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these bad boys, man. Is this a hit or is it a miss when it comes to the Air Jordan CNY collabs? I mean, when we had the 6s, I really wasn't feeling the 6s when those came out. I remember when the 12s came out, the 12s kind of had that vibe of having a pair of taxi 12s. So, you know, it's really crazy, man. But it seems like, I feel like with this one right here, I'm digging these, man. It's actually some colors that I really like to see mixed together. You know, that seafoam type vibe mixed in with a little bit of that burgundy, man. Hey, we got a banger right here, man. But these will be releasing on January 24th. $160 is a suggested retail on these, man, as I've seen online. So y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions, man. I picked this pair right here up off of GOKU early for the early look and the early review and on feed for you guys. So stay tuned to the channel because I will be dropping this very soon. And it's crazy because this is not my first pickup of 2024. It's my first Jordan 1 pickup of 2024, but it's not my first pickup. I actually picked up another sneaker, and this one just so happened to come in before that one. But yeah, man, I think they did a good job on these, man. Just from looking at them and just giving a nice little quick look at them. Y'all already know, man. Stay tuned to the channel for a detailed review coming to you guys very soon. So y'all already know how we rock, man. It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan CNY collabs, man. I feel like with them doing the numbers and some non-numbers this year, that might be the new trend that they give, because, you know, some people are probably like, man, I don't even want those, you know what I'm saying? I want to see them release more, you know, in the United States, and stop doing them just exclusively to like overseas. But I ain't gonna lie, I paid a little bit of bread for them CNY year the Oxys, man. I ain't gonna hold you, I really wanted them, but you know, I sold some shoes and I might have thrown like maybe like $100 on top of it. But you know, again, shopping on GOKU, y'all already know, man. Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes when you want something. But y'all already know, man. It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Until the next video, man. Stay tuned. Peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go app, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom.